Today we will start new subject, that is statistics. Many students requested to upload some material of this subject. So I will try my level best to provide you some material. Now we will start with the basics of statistics. When we start anything, we must know about that very subject or that very topic. Here we have statistics before us, so we must go for definition of statistics. How can we define it? We can define like this. It is the science of collecting, summarizing, and analyzing the data. Once again, you can see, just see the whole statement. You can note down also. It is the science of collecting, summarizing, and analyzing the data. You have to survey or you have to collect some data regarding height of the student or average score or the land holding of farmers, anything, it may be anything. For example, we can say that average score of a cricketer is 50 runs per over, or I travelled from Lucknow to Jhansi at an average speed of 60 km per hour. I usually say like this: the average height of 10B students of Central School is 5 feet 2 inches. The average marks of 12th class is 72. Again, see, since it is a new subject, so you must know everything about the definition of the subject. It is the science of collecting, summarizing, and analyzing the data. Just don't forgo this definition, otherwise there would be a problem in every question. You must make your mind to understand the definition at any cost. Then you will solve every question without any help. Here is average score of a cricketer. Here is average speed. Here is average height. Here is average marks. What does it mean? So, in view of what do you mean by the average score, average speed, average height, or average marks? Now, think about this. It is an average which lies between two extremities of whatever the data we have collected. For example, here it is score. So the cricketer would have been scored different score in different matches. So some value will be lowest and someone will be highest. The average will lie between lowest and highest. Similarly, heights, the student, someone will be of lowest height and someone will be of highest one. The average will lie between them. Similarly, marks obtained by students and speeds. There would be a highest speed and a lowest speed. So average will lie between these two. The lowest, you can say, the minimum value of your data, and highest is the maximum value of your data. Then question arises, how will we calculate the average? You can clarify it again. The average we are talking about, it can be said that it is an average which lies between two extremities of the data, that is score, height, mass, speed. Now average may or may not be the middle value of two extremities. Extremities means two end values, that is lowest and highest one. Data of score per match. We have taken it as an example. Suppose a cricketer has scored in first match 61 runs, in second 59, in third 70, fourth 30, fifth 100 and sixth also 100. Two extremities, one lowest and one highest. Lowest one is 30 and highest one is 100. These are two extremities. You can say the lowest score is 30 and highest score is 100. So average the sum of the data upon number of the matches. Sum of the scores. That means the runs scored. So add all the runs. 61 plus 59 plus 70 plus 30 plus 100 plus 100 upon 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 420 upon 6, that is 70. So average score is 70. And this way you can revise it again. This is the basic of the average. Now statistics is totally based on these notes, the basics of the statistics. Understand word by word. It is very clear that average will always lie between lowest and highest. This is, you can say, mandatory. But it is not necessary that average will lie between the middle of the lowest and highest. It may tend towards lowest, or it may tend toward highest value. That will depend upon the number of frequency or octane numbers. Okay.